Hello, everyone, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Today, we're going to do a very simple thymus gland, pineal gland reset. This is something that you can do every morning and every evening before you go to bed. This will help set the energies for your day and will help you to psychologically and energetically begin to build up the strength of your immune system through the thymus gland, and also to improve your inner sight and your clairvoyance. So let's take a moment to center, creating sacred space as always. Use the power of the breath to focus and ground with the new earth, relaxing all the muscles in your face, your jaw, your shoulder joints, your fingers, your toes, and your calves. Allow the body to go into alignment with your high self as you breathe in and breathe out the light. Okay, so to do the reset, you're going to tap right on the center of your chest bone with the tips of your fingers, and begin to bring awareness there into the center of your chest, your high heart area, your thymus gland. Now pause, take a deep breath, and just begin to sense and notice the energies in your body being stimulated. Now we're going to tap your forehead right about here. Gentle tapping, awakening the pineal gland. You may create the intention as you do this that your pineal gland is decalcifying from stress and density. It's almost like you're calling for your thymus to wake up. Okay, pause. And just simply notice now, again, another level of energies being awakened in your body. Now, put one hand over your chest, one hand over your forehead. Breathe into both points as if you are connecting energetically these two power centers in your body, opening up the throat so that the connection can be easy and effortless. Breathe into both points, center of the chest, and in between the brow chakras. Gentle deep breath of the light, awakening, activating. And whatever comes up, maybe emotionally or with your thoughts, just simply breathe and allow. Moving into that place of neutrality and detachment. Okay, now cross your arms over your chest like this, and just breathe once again and notice. Breathe and notice. Simply be. So you can do this for as long as you need to, and when you are complete with this, then you can open your eyes and just simply notice what you notice, especially anything new and different, unusual, unique, creative. So that's our little tune-up, our joyful tune-up for today. I hope you enjoy this. Please practice as often as needed. Daily routines are very powerful in establishing new neural connections, new neural pathways in the brain, and also energetically in your higher chakra points. So that's it for now. Have a blessed week. Namaste.